That dog.
But the chicken won't hold it.
You know who that is. Is that right?
Really? She's up there?
Yeah.
Because we've seen her before, remember? We'll get the mail.
We're getting the mail.
And then, see, the guy added this earlier. Looks nice. He was on the, like, oh, look, there's a jet.
Oh, the moon is weird.
There's a plane.
Look at that, like, halo.
You can't see it in the camera.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like blurry. It's really weird, right?
You should try and take a picture of that.
Oh, look at that.
Alright. There, in front of us. The house, the light inside.
Oh, on the window?
Yeah.
Huh?
Oh, it's really nice, right? Take picture. Or,
Oh, I don't need that.
can you click video for YouTube, Ka? I think it's gonna be nice on YouTube, this one. Yeah.
Hold that. Do you have your phone?
You can see it.
I don't have my phone.
Can I hold that sometime?
Yeah.
You can't see it though.
Oh, look at the
For
jet.
video, it's really hard to see, right? Let's take a picture then.
No, right?
No. It's like gasoline.
Oh, I can smell it's cool.
Okay, let's go. See, they copied us, yeah. This one. Wait, is this a new neighbor? Oh, no, it's not. It's this one. This is the new one. This is the new one.
Oh, yeah.
So hopefully.
See the light when they saw it inside.
Smell like gas, right? Hopefully, so nobody turn on their gas and then forgot to turn it off.
Do you lock the door?
Yeah.
There's a tree. I think that's a lamp.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Oh, the plant. It's like the tree. Is that real?
Oh, should be walking on that side, no? Because there's the Christmas.
Go to the end and cross and then walk back.
Oh yeah.
I like the plant.
There are people there. The gym is not. It's empty, no?
They have more trees there. Or is it the same one, right?
Oh, look, that's nice though.
This one, see? That one.
Even though this is just lights, it looks nice too.
Actually, right?
Alright, it's just lights.
That's a nice house,
Oh,
actually.
yeah. Look at the Christmas tree inside. On top.
That's a really nice house, actually.
Is that like the? That's not the room. That's like a main. Like if you go upstairs, Ryan. Is
Is
that?
that a main room?
Yeah. Right.
Would you buy one of these houses?
Yeah.
Another lamp. Oh, we can have that actually. Right? Yeah. Yeah. This light, cause it's moving now. Before,
Start from the end there and then walk.
yeah. This light, this one. It doesn't do this before.
Alright.
It's on before, right? I don't know. It's like it's expensive, but should we add more to ours? Like weird. No, right? It's enough. Yeah, that's enough.
One every year.
Yeah, it's like $50 each. Is that?
Cypress Mountain.
We can see from all the way here.
Yeah. The Cypress Mountain, right?
Or no, the college on the mountain. What's that one? I think it's SFU.
The Cypress.
Cypress is the farther one, I think.
Oh yeah, there's two, Marco. There's two. It's SFU and then Cypress.
I think you're right about Cypress, but there. Let's go back now. This way. We're gonna walk.
Oh, yeah.
this. See Cypress way in that side.
Yeah. It's like the ski hill.
This is red and yellow. This green.
Actually, right for this.
Is this green and yellow? Is it green and yellow or green and blue?
The bulb's just like off-white, I think, or something. You're gonna be in front of me too, though.
This was random. Actually, no.
I like all the colors though.
I forgot to change the aperture of this. You need to connect it to phone and then set the pro mode.
I'm on live mode. See, I think
So
there's
I
two
just-
people watching now.
Oh, you can see that
This one they don't have any decor. This one has.
but the light up this really nice, right? Oh, is that a car before?
Yeah.
Oh, that's newer. That's newer.
That's like inflatable.
upside down face. That one's nice to see the
Bicycles.
oh, there's a camera there. Is there a camera
Yeah.
with the red light? It's a camera, right?
I like that blue one. I like those ones across the street, the colorful ones.
That one.
Yeah, it looks nice on the corner there.
Like this. What is that? Oh, this one. Around.
This one's nice. Yeah. Oh, I like it on the ground like that.
It looks Christmassy, right? Already. Is that the same dog? It's different, no? There's a different dog.
What?
There's a different dog. Wait, is that Chad?
Yeah.
It's him. It's nice though. See, it's like Christmas light. Look at our window. Why is it like that? Why's those two circle?
Right? It's always steamed like that.
Is it steam?
It's because it's too hot inside or not hot enough, or there's no
Fog?
airflow or something.
Yeah.
The bathroom door might be closed to that downstairs thing.
I've seen some houses like that too. Not just ours.
Only that one. Usually it's 2 layers anyway. Ah, it's really nice this one. We're gonna go straight, right?
Straight, yeah. That one looks nice too.
This one's empty? Nobody lives here anymore?
No, there's people there. But how come those stuff nobody left?
Looks empty.
They have like. They have like this.
Yeah, at the back.
But if you don't see
The dog? He's smelling there, didn't poop.
That's not even marked. You know, if I fell there, I could have sued the city easily because it's not marked, it's not shaved down, it's not nothing. This was really scary,
Right?
How would you
And I would win. because there's no mark.
It's gonna take you years in court.
Not at all.
Like what were you gonna say? Like a broken ankle?
Yeah, I'm gonna snap.
Oh wait, they're gonna go
We're
straight.
gonna go over there.
What does that mean?
Oh yeah, we're gonna go there. Olaf.
This is nice. I think I saw the superstore.
Really?
These ones, huh?
Those are nice. Oh, I just like colors. It's cool.
Most people they leave it on all night, right?
Yeah.
I
They're-
like that one to the bicycles.
Bicycles.
We saw that too. We saw that too, right?
Yeah.
Superstore. They have that. The ice cream. It does that falling thing.
Actually, if we buy that, we can attach it outside the garage and then plug it inside the garage, like them, right?
That's nice to see.
I think you just put random stuff everywhere.
Yeah, like this.
How did I ever have this?
A lot. This was a lot.
This
Oh,
is
look at the light inside the house there.
I like that.
Yeah, that looks nice.
They're looking around too, right?
Yeah. Now on to another one. See?
This.
Anyone.
It's nice, right? Looks interesting.
Yeah, look at that tree.
Oh, did you see that?
Really nice.
It looks good, though.
Yeah.
So move here.
We can see living there.
It's a really fast car. Let's go this way first.
Down the road first.
There, you can cross now. Look left and right regardless. Really big, yeah.
The downstairs garage.
How big is that? Like 3,500 square feet?
Because if you look, the garage is really big.
And then it goes all the way back there. They even have a basement, no?
I don't think basement because of the water.
Oh, yeah, right. It goes up like that, see?
But there's like people, there's like room there. It's not just this.
And they have a really big backyard, right? You can see it there, see? Oh, yeah, it goes up and then left and then up. This is weird, right? They even have light up there.
Oh yeah.
Is that like, that's not like the...
I think that was always like that. You know that? Because I've seen that before.
It doesn't look like a bedroom, it looks like a...
Game room.
Probably. Yeah, like a game room, right?
Oh, look left at the center over there. The hockey building.
Alright.
more light.
I got something different today. New record.
You got a record?
Yeah. 500 calories.
Oh, TV, I can see TV there.
Can you see the center?
See the TV, right? Yeah, TV.
Oh yeah. Do you see the center?
Yeah, I saw it.
The bed.
How about you
Where?
Why? Oh, there.
Alright. They're drying it.
Oh my goodness, look at these ones.
This one's always like this, right?
Yeah.
Where? In the
Oh,
truck.
the fog up there looks cool.
Be careful on the ground again. It's like cracked.
This one's marked. I think it is fine. So.
I thought there's people there
Oh,
earlier.
it looks so cool. Look at the tree. I like the white tree there.
Oh,
Oh.
how do you even do that? How do you even do this?
I had time. Even this thing.
Stand here like that.
Hold on, I'll take a picture.
Look, I like the white tree. It's amazing. Look at here.
The ducks, the polar bear, and then it feels like it got combined or wait.
yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Oh, even this one's nice. Are they sleeping now or something? Oh, there's nothing here now. I'm gonna go to the cul-de-sac. It looks weird here this late at night, right?
Wait, we're gonna go back now?
Yeah.
We're gonna go all the way up there. Up there, like check the...
Are we
No.
gonna just cross at the roundabout here, or do you want to go on turn?
No, okay, go back now. I'm just looking there. It looks weird. See, there's no cars. Go.
Yeah, foggy. Yeah, it's really foggy.
And the light make it weird. Make it
Oh,
look
look at
weird.
that! It's nice. Look, Nature's Walk.
All right.
A lot of Christmas lights
We
at the
need
back.
some in the back. That's what we didn't get.
Yeah, the back, right?
Maybe I think we should
you
move
can
that
see-
yellow one to the back.
I'm sure there's like lights there.
I think we buy just one light for like a small light.
No, you know
The
that
cheap
yellow
one?
in the front window. Take that out.
That one's too small though. It's not gonna reach.
Just wrap it around part of it.
It's nice though, we can see it there.
But it needs colorful lights at the back here.
Yeah. It's gotta burn up this here. Just kidding. Oh my god, my face is really cold.
Yeah. Freezing.
We're here, right? My cheeks freezing.
I did ratatouille.
Yeah.
Oh, that.
Like laughing. He said, I enjoy ratatouille.
Are you getting attacked by coyote? Right? That sounds like somebody got attacked.
Alright. Ouch, my head.
Was it this?
You gonna turn here or what?
No, we're going back to the hotel.
No, the car, not with the car. It's really slow. And
What is it? Look, see?
How come it looks bright but dark at the same time? Right? But look at the room. Right to the inside. See? There is no frame.
wait, it's like laundry.
Oh, it's a laundry room.
It's a laundry room. Has really small window.
Do you has its own room?
I still think we should bust open our side closet and turn them in. Ready for it.
That's like a dedicated laundry room. This house actually really big, right? One.
I wouldn't want this one. I think that's straight up. Yeah, the big house. Yeah.
All right.
This one would be okay. That's it.
Okay, but like that one is busy there.
Oh, I know this one.
Another fireworks. It's the garbage.
Dang, the fireworks seem to be annoying.
There's a light, see?
Oh, yeah.
The corner.
Where?
Oh, there's like a Christmas light. It's a big room.
Are we gonna go straight? We're gonna go down.
No, let's just go home now.
Yeah, let's go home now.